This is a symbol of hope for the ocean. Throughout all of our history as humans, we have taken from the sea. This is an example of giving back. Turtles have been in the sea before there were dinosaurs. Hundreds of millions of years they have been here, and they will still be here if we take care. We could lose them or save them. It's really up to us. Hope for the ocean means hope for us too.